Hello student, good morning all of you. In previous video I have solved some remaining problems of exercise 3.3 which is based on the rational number as decimal. Okay, so now we have to move on our next segment, that is work problem of this exercise, which is based on the again concept of the rational number. So let's start. Question number 5 is saying that in a school 1/2 of boys went for playing football, 1/3 went for playing cricket, the remaining boys went for music class. What portion of the boys went for music class? So student, this type of question I have discussed in the chapter fraction. So recall the concept this type of question. In this type of question we have to use the concept of the fraction, because fraction I have discussed in the chapter fraction. That what is the fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Whole means one. It means if this is a circle and its value is 1, and if we divide into two parts, first part and second part, then this part is represented by this and this part is represented by this. So if we add this part, then we will get 1 plus 1, it means 2/2, that is 1. So student, apply this concept for solving this question. Okay, so we will get the remaining portion of the boys went for music class. So apply the concept of fraction, which is I have discussed. Given portion of boys for playing football is equal to 1/2. Portion of boys for playing cricket is equal to 1/3. Then what is the portion of the boys for music class? Student, you have to add both the fraction and subtract from 1 like this. Okay, because 1 indicates the whole part, and these are the part of this whole. So if you want to find the portion of the boys went for music class, then you have to add both the fraction and subtract from 1, then we will get the portion of the boys went for music class like this. Here both the rational number are unlike rational numbers. So first of all you have to find the LCM. This is 6, and you have to cross multiply like this. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 2 1s are 2. Then we will get 3 to 5/6. Again you have to subtract 5/6 from 1, then we will get 6 1s are 6 minus 5/6, then we will get 1/6. So this is the answer. It means if you add this fraction 1/2, 1/3, 1/6, if you want to check that the answer is correct, then if you add these portion, then we will get 1, because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 1 6 are 6. 3 to 5 and 6, yani it means we will get 1. This is the whole part. Okay, so student, keep in mind this concept of fraction, and before moving our next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now student, we are moving another question, very interesting question, that what should be added to this to get 2. It means इन फ्रैक्शंस में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमें एक 2 मिल जाए. So student, this is also a very easy question. Simply you have to subtract all these fraction from 2, then we will get the required number. Okay. So let's start the finding the solution. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Then from question you have to find the required number x, which is in which if we add this x, then we will get 2. It means you have to find x like this. You have to subtract all these fraction from 2 like this, then we will get the required number x. Okay बच्चों, हमें एक ऐसी क्वांटिटी निकालनी है जो इसमें ऐड करने पर हमें 2 मिल जाए. तो इसके लिए सबसे आसान तरीका क्या है? 2 में से आप इसको माइनस कर दीजिए, सबको प्लस करके. तो हमें वो नंबर जो ऐड करना है, जिसको हमने x माना है, वो हमें मिल जाएगा 1/3 + 1/4. Now these are all the example of unlike rational numbers. So first of all you have to find the LCM. 2, 3, 4. And 3. 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. So student, 12 is the LCM. Okay. So here we have to multiply 6 because 2 6 are 12, and here also then we will get 6 1 is 6. Here we have to multiply 3 4 is 12, and here also you have to multiply 4, then 4 1 4 is 4, and 4 3 is 12, and 1 3 is 3. Now 2 minus 6 4 10, 10 plus 3 13/12. So remove the bracket, and 12 is also the LCM. 12 2 is 24 minus 13, then we will get 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So student, 11/12 is the required number. Student, 11/12 is the required number, in which you have to add this number, then we will get 2. Let me check that this answer is correct or not. Exercise 3.3. Yes, it is correct. So student, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now student, we are moving on the last question of exercise 3.3, which is also based on the same as the question number 5, that 1/5 of rice in a bag was spoiled and 1/4 was eaten by rats. Then what part of rice is left for distribution to the public? It means it is also the concept of the fraction of that fraction is a part of whole. Then you have to find the remaining part of rice which is left for distribution to public. Then again you have to add both the fraction, then subtract from 1, then we will get the part of the rice is left for distribution to the public. So let's start the solution. That given part of rice in a bag which is spoiled is equal to 1/5, and part of rice was eaten by rats is equal to 1/4. Then we have to find that part of rice is left for distribution in public is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so student, it is very easy. First of all, you have to solve this bracket part. Both the rational number are unlike rational numbers, so first of all you have to find the LCM, that is 20, and we have to cross multiply like this. 4 ones are 4 and 5 ones are 5. Then we will get 5 plus 4 is 9, and 20 ones are 20 minus 9 upon 20. Then we will get 11 upon 20. Okay, so student, watch all the steps of this solution of this question and try to solve the remaining part of this question, that is today's homework, that is do question 7 and 8 of exercise 3.3. okay, so student, you have to solve this question 7 and 8 by yourself, but before, watch all the steps to find the solution of these type of question. Okay, so student, thank you very much for being with us.